Are dark circles and hollows making you look tired and older? Before you waste money on expensive treatments, watch this. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal proven remedies to erase dark circles and under-eye hollows for good. Stay till the end for a powerful tip that works like magic. Why dark circles and hollows happen. Common causes of dark circles and hollows. Lack of sleep or rest leads to poor circulation, making dark circles worse. Dehydration, dry, thin skin makes blood vessels under the eyes more visible. Aging and collagen loss, the skin under the eyes thins, creating a hollowed look. Effective natural remedies: cold compress, instant puffiness reducer, helps constrict blood vessels and reduce swelling. Use cold spoons, ice packs, or chilled tea bags. Green tea or chamomile tea bags provide extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Apply for 5-10 minutes daily for best results. Hydration, the ultimate skin booster. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to plump up skin. Hydrating foods: cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges. Use a hyaluronic acid serum to lock in moisture. Sleep smarter. Fix your sleep cycle. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night to prevent tired eyes. Sleep on your back with an elevated pillow to avoid fluid buildup. Use a silk pillowcase to reduce friction and wrinkles. Follow a nighttime routine with minimal screen time before bed. Vitamin C. Brighten and strengthen the skin, helps with collagen production, and reduces pigmentation. Apply vitamin C serums daily under the eyes. Eat citrus fruits like oranges, kiwis, and strawberries. Protect your skin with sunscreen to prevent darkening. Phenol, an anti-aging powerhouse, stimulates collagen and thickens under-eye skin. Use a low-strength retinol cream to prevent irritation. Apply at night, followed by moisturizing. Start with 2 to 3 times a week and increase gradually. Aloe vera, soothing and healing, reduces puffiness and hydrates deeply. Apply a small amount before bed and leave it overnight. Aloe is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, essential for skin repair. Use fresh aloe gel or a high-quality aloe-based eye cream. Caffeine eye patches, quick fix for tired eyes, reduces puffiness by improving blood circulation. Use eye creams with caffeine to brighten under eyes. DIY method. Dip coffee pads in coffee or green tea and apply for 10 minutes. Lifestyle and long-term fixes: balanced diet feeds your skin. Eat foods rich in collagen like bone broth, salmon, and eggs. Omega-3 fatty acids found in nuts and fish help skin elasticity. Leafy greens provide essential vitamins A and K for blood circulation. A massage improves circulation. Use a jade roller or your fingers to gently massage the under-eye area. Improves blood flow and reduces fluid buildup. Use an eye cream or oil while massaging for added hydration. Massage in circular motions for 1-2 minutes daily. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.